So you'd like to create a Telegram account without a phone number. Let's see if we are able to do this. So what you need to do, of course, is that if you want Telegram for the privacy but you don't want to give the personal phone number, you can officially sign up for the Telegram using an anonymous blockchain based number. There's no SIM card, there's no contract, there's no identity linked to the telco. So I'm going to be showing you the official way to buy an anonymous number using the fragmented hack for using a temporarily number if you're into a low budget. So there's an official blockchain way, which is Fragment. So fragment.com, like this. This is the official platform for Telegram usernames and numbers. These are the 888 numbers that exist only into TON blockchains. You will need a tiny bit of TON crypto, connect your wallet, and of course you can buy TON directly inside Telegram with an actual credit card. Now the top action, for example, you can go, for example, the option that says numbers, and here, for example, are the actual numbers that you can purchase, and here are usually the actual price. So you can choose, for example, the minimum bid, price low to high, and here is, for example, this one that says 111, for example. So I select this minimum bid, and here it is. Let's say, for example, buy, and here's the actual collectible number, right? So basically what's going to happen here, you can buy a random number for $1 or even a few dollars, or a cool number. Once you bought it, you owned it forever as an NFT, you might be saying. So you can open Telegram and enter your new number, and the verification code won't let's say won't go to a SIM card. It will be appearing right inside your Fragment dashboard to your Tone Keeper application. Now, if you don't want to deal with crypto, you can use a VoIP service. However, the Telegram's AI has gotten smarter, so blocks most have free numbers. You can avoid free SMS website. They never work, right? So if you go to this route, you can use a paid mobile. Tie your number from an app like, I'm going to open the tab, and you can go from Hushed, for example. This costs about $2, I believe so, but I think it's much more likely to pass the security check. Now, if the SMS doesn't arrive into your VoIP application, you can wait for the timer to end and select the Call Me. This application handles voice calls much better than automated text. And of course, stop. If you use a temporarily number, you must set a two-factor authenticator. If you lose access to the VoIP number, the two-factor authenticator passcode is the only thing that prevents someone else from eventually recycling the number and taking over your account. So you can go to the privacy and set up the phone number to nobody. Even though it's an anonymous number, there is no reason to show it to anyone. And remember, the actual Fragment numbers are permanent assets because the VoIP numbers expire if you stop paying. If you're building a business on Telegram, go to the Fragment road. Now that your identity is hidden, for example, you need to secure your messages. You can watch my next video into how to enable the end-to-end encryption for all the Telegram chat. But basically, this is like the only secure way of how you can actually get started with the actual Telegram. Just in case you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and if you know another method of how you can actually get started with Telegram without having to enter a phone, you can let me know into the comments so we all have and share a little bit of knowledge. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See ya next time.